What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know S4T content has been kind of lacking, so today we're gonna go ahead and install this. And I know y'all don't know what this is, but so I'm gonna just tell y'all real quick. It is a backup alarm that I got from JDM. I'll leave a link in the description below, and it has two sounds. One's a melody that plays a song, and another one is like an alarm. I think it says like, "Be careful, I'm backing up," or something with like an anime girl voice. I thought it was kind of cool, kind of quirky or whatever, so I thought I'd pick it up. And it does kind of serve a purpose because at nighttime, I do have like tents on the back window, so I really can't see back there. So hopefully it helps me get out the way. But I'll go ahead and unbox this. Kind of cool. Some authentic Japanese newspaper. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned this, but this is a product that is from Japan. You can kind of tell because the website name is Get Japan. So cool. This is it right here, guys. Some hardware right there so I don't lose it. This is it. It's just an alarm, like I said. I'll mount it probably under the car and try to wire it in. Now, prior to picking this up, I had no wiring experience, no background, none of that. But I did watch a YouTube video, so I'm basically a mechanic now. You know, I can do anything with electrical because I watch YouTube videos, so it's all good. So real quick, I'm just gonna show you guys what it sounds like, both of the melody and the alarm. So there it is. That's what they sound like. I think it's pretty cool. You know, it's kind of like quirky. It's like whatever. The melody that actually played is like a Mickey Mouse melody. I don't know the actual name of it, but I remember hearing it when I played Kingdom Hearts as a kid. So it's kind of nostalgic, but I think it's pretty cool, man. It's like whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and wire that up right now. First things first is I gotta clear out the trunk. First things first, I gotta find the reverse lights, so that way I can connect the alarm right up to the reverse lights, so it happens when I'm reversing. And honestly, I can't see anything, so I think I'm gonna have to close the garage. And I'm an idiot. There's the reverse lights. That makes more sense. So the wiring that I need is right here. These green and black wires. I got it on this side too. So what I think I'm gonna go ahead and do is connect off of these wires. And under here, where the spare is, that hole right there, it's kind of can't really see it because the tire's in the way. I'm gonna go ahead and move this tire so you guys can see it better. JDM spare tire razor, baby. Send me your best offers. I know what I have, no low ballers. But I'm gonna go ahead and move this. Right here, this is what I was talking about right here. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make a small slit right here and then send the wires up through here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So some issues that I'm running into early on. I don't have any screws that are long enough to fit in there, so I'm gonna have to run to the hardware store and get some. And they're really tight, that's what she said, going in there. So I'll probably get something to make it easier to get in, that's what she said. I thought I was a pro after watching a YouTube video, but I guess not. Got what we came for, plus some extra, because, well, it was just some things that I needed, I guess. It's pretty nice out today, huh? So now, go home and hopefully don't run into any more bumps. Although I'm already looking at the wires and they're not gonna be long enough to reach where I'm trying to pull them from, so I'm gonna have to extend the wires right from under. It is what it is. Here we go. And we're back. So hopefully we don't run into any more problems. So let me go ahead and take the stuff out of the bag and put it in there. Okay, I'm back with a new shirt because this that tub of grease was right here open and I laid on it by accident. Got on my back and my hair, but it was all worth it because I got it in. Only I would get this dirty doing such a simple job. I don't know. I guess my inexperience shows, but whatever. But I got it in, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this wiring. So right here, the only problem is that wiring isn't long enough. But I went ahead and already bought some more wire, some connectors here, a crimper, so that way I can go ahead and crimp, strip, and do whatever I need to do. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I guess connect this extra wire so that way it's long enough and I can go poke that through. So I got my first crimp out of the way. And here it is, the rest of the wire. I'm gonna go ahead and sneak it up through there. I still got those to do. And obviously the ends of this, I don't know how many more I have to do, but it is kind of hard. I don't know if it's because these are cheap or just because I suck, but it's a work in progress, man. I guess I'm just learning as I go. So that one's pulled through, and I got 2 more to do. All right, so I've got all my wires ran through the little opening. I labeled them with Sharpie. So this is my black, the ground. You can't really see that. And then this is the red wire from down there. And then last one would be pink, which is right here. So the pink one plays the melody, the red one plays the backup alarm. Originally, I had planned to wire them to a switch. All right, guys, you can see the time that it is. So it's been a while since I gave you guys an update. I guess I'll just get into it. As you guys can see here, so one, I accidentally cut a wire that wires up to my bulb. But an even bigger problem, for some reason, I don't know, I disconnected this here. My taillights just will not come back, or my reverse lights will not come back on whatsoever. So I don't know what it is, but my reverse lights just won't come back on. So I even had someone come out and look at it to see if they could help me and just at least get the reverse lights back on. And they just won't come back on. I've checked the fuses, made sure that connection was good. So at this point, what I tried doing myself, I need to get some help. So I'll take her to an electric shop or electrical mechanic, whatever, it doesn't matter, and deal with that there. So I don't know, see what happens, guys. And we're back. It's a new day. I'm here at Star Auto and Electric. So I'm hoping that they can fix what I messed up because I'm an idiot. I tried doing it right myself and I didn't. So, and come to find out, my cluster, I'm not gonna turn it on, but my cluster won't even move either. So that's all dead right now. So they told me to be here first thing in the morning. It's 8 o'clock right now. I don't see anyone, but I'm gonna go ahead and knock and hopefully they can fix it pretty quick. All right, as y'all see, I'm back at the house. I'm back at the garage, and it's been a little second since I gave y'all an update. Eric from Star Auto and Electric, you know, he blessed it. He hooked it up. Like, he took care of it. Turns out a fuse did blow. I thought I checked all the fuses, and I guess I just missed it. But it was a pretty quick fix. So I'll show you guys what we went ahead and did. So basically what I was just trying to do anyway, he went ahead and wired it up to the reverse light up there, trailed it all the way down, And down here, for now, it's hooked up to a switch. That'll switch between the melody and the girl's backup voice. I might leave this back here and clean it up and mount it back here, or I might put it in the front. But for now, it'll just be right here. So I will show you guys that the switch works. Right now it's on voice, off, and melody. So if we go ahead, come over, I already got power going through, put it in reverse. And then we come in here, switch it off, melody. So yeah, guys, that's the one that I like the most. So go ahead and turn that off. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know I kind of had a couple setbacks because I'm not the best when it comes to electrical, so I'm learning as I go. But before I end this video, I just wanted to make an announcement. So content on the S14 itself has been like a little down, I guess, low, because I've been up to things, and I guess I can share that surprise with you guys. I am picking up wheels today for the S14. So that'll be coming in the next video. So something for you guys to look forward to. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, I am getting wheels, gonna convert to 5-lug and have my boys help me and everything. So you guys will have more S14 content, not just the backup alarm. Unfortunately, I will never touch electrical again because I don't want to mess up anything. Another announcement, I did get the sample shirt in for the merch, and it looks really good. You guys will also see that in the next video. So the next video is gonna be pretty juicy, has some good content in it. But enough of that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends, ring that bell, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one when the S14 gets wheels. Take it easy.